Where to find the jobs that you have applied for on Indeed job search. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you where to find the jobs that you have applied for on the Indeed job search app. So the first thing we do is we go to the app, and as you can see here, this is the home page. Now you should go to the top corner here on those three lines and then go to my jobs, and after that you will have three options. The first one says saved. Here you can find the saved jobs, and the second one is what we need, which says applied. Here you can find the jobs that you applied for. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like if this video was helpful for you.